All 4 UK nations have now made the rule of 6 a law of the land. The new rule means that you can only meet with a maximum of 6 people indoors, but there are some differences in regards to meeting people outside. Here in Wales, up to 30 people can still meet outdoors. It is also now illegal for anyone over the age of 11 to enter a shop without a face covering. The new rules are put in place as Public Health Wales confirms that another 183 people in Wales have tested positive for Covid-19, but for the 13th day in a row, no new deaths have been reported. In the latest coronavirus press conference, Health Minister for Wales Vaughan Gething has said that the issues we have seen with testing needs to be resolved before the demand for them increases, with the returns of schools and universities and the challenges we may face with coughs and colds we see in winter mimicking the symptoms of coronavirus. The UK government made the decision to reduce the lighthouse testing capacity at all mobile testing units in Wales to just 60 last week, with areas such as Rhondda seeing increased cases at that time. It was certainly not a welcomed decision by the locals who would be using the testing centre there. Over the weekend, the Welsh Government worked to get that number back up. In regards to further restrictions, however, the Welsh Government have said that other closures would still take place before schools if coronavirus started to get worse. Restrictions on places such as pubs is more likely. But one of the most notable announcements made by Mr Gething is when he said we could be placed in lockdown once again. With cases continuing to rise in Wales, the government may be in a position where they will have to lock down Wales in less than 7 weeks. But it was reiterated that Wales is in a better position to jostle with Covid a second time round. For now, though, one can only hope that the people of Wales follow the guidelines designed to keep us safe.